Good afternoon to all. Today we discuss experiment number 5, that is nothing but exploratory data analysis. In that we are discuss what is meant by exploratory data analysis. In this chapter will show you how to see a visualization and transformation to explore your data in the sense in a systematic manner, how we can explore your data in a systematic way. So exploratory data analysis call a task that statisticians call EDA. It can also call it as shortcut name exploratory data analysis. It is an iterative life cycle, nothing but what it refers in the sense. EDA is the process of analyzing and visualizing the data to get a better understanding of the data and glean insight from it. In the sense, just we need to process. It refers to the process of it refers to the critical process of performing initial investigations on a data, so as to discover patterns, to test hypotheses, to spot anomalies, and to check whether those assumptions on the data just we can processing and analyzing those the data. At that time we need to better understandable of those data and glean insight from it. This is the main purpose of EDA. In the sense, we know all of you, EDA is the process of analyzing and visualizing with the help of summary statistics and graphical representations. And coming to the what is the main example of EDA. For example, in the real world scenario, we are taking there are dress shoes, hiking boots, sandals, etc. Using EDA, you are open to the fact that if you have to take some any number of people might buy any number of different types of shoes, you may visualize those data by using exploratory data analysis to find out that most customers prefer one to three different types of shoes. At the time we just explore your data. We need to explore. For example, we have to take Facebooks, Twitters, Instagrams, and WhatsApp. We are just sending photos, videos, comment sections, like messages, like that. Just we are prefer on raw data. Okay, here also any number of people might buy any number of different types of shoes. They are just to explore your data in a systematic way. Okay, just we need to you visualize those data using exploratory data analysis. Just we need to find out most customers prefer a 1 2 3 or 4 or 5 different types of shoes. Now coming to the a real life example of exploratory data analysis. In this real world scenario, in such a scenario of real world examples of exploratory data analytics, it has so many applications in many fields, such as we prefer professional sports. Sport analysts rely on data to search the most successful players and teams, as well as to discover the variables. Here variable is nothing but it's said to be a quantity or quality, or we can say property, that you can measure it. So that contributes, what that contributes to a team wins and losses. So here the value of a variable that may change from a measurement to measurement. So a value is the state of the variable when you can measure it. Okay, this is nothing but EDA is nothing but in a most life scenario we can use his this exploratory data analysis for the purpose of data science projects, machine learning projects, and we seen so many things according to that. Okay, thank you.